What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Zai motherfucking Goodie. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Hope everybody's doing well. Positive vibes sending it your way. So, yeah, I'm just, you already know it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, so I had to stop by and get some tacos. So I'm so excited because last week I tried to get these tacos, right? 85 cents on Tuesdays. I pull up after work. Right? I get off work at like 10:30, so I pull up around like 11. I'm waiting in line. There's hella people in line, and the person in front of me ordered tacos, and she was like, I thought that they were on sale today. But the cashier, she didn't say anything. So I'm over here. I have my headphones in, so I, pause my music because I'm listening, because I'm here for the 85-cent tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. And long story short, the lady was like, she pointed to the sign, and I looked at the sign. Luckily, she wasn't talking to me, but I looked at the sign, read the sign. It said from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It was damn near 11 something. So yeah, here I am the next Tuesday, and it's 2:17. I'm about to go into work soon, so I picked me up some tacos. So yeah, I'll do a little review of these tacos. These are from Taco Meat, which is up the street from my school, so it's very convenient. But they don't give you a plate for some reason, so they put it in foil. I definitely asked for some plates though, because what the you mean, like, okay, so they're wrapped up like this. Ooh, with everything on it. Okay, first of all, I'm in my car. Oh yeah, let me know down below if you like the new location. I'll definitely be posting a lot of videos in my car now that I have a car. Okay, fuck. I dropped some onions and cilantro. It's okay though. Hella napkins on deck. You already know. Alright, so I got 2 asada and 2 pastor. And I got me some, they give you some big ass chunks of, so you already know you only need to just swoop like 2 of them. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna awkward pause. I'm taking the seats out. I'm making a mess, high key. The person who parked in front of me just got in their car, and he's looking at me like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm about to start. You want some? Nope. Alright, yeah, you know you gotta put hella lime on it. You feel me? Okay, so boom. They gave me this salsa. Hopefully it's spicy. Hey, no, high key, I almost forgot. I almost played myself because I've been here before. Their salsa is hella spicy, and I just got it all over my finger. Oh, yeah, hella spicy. It's but you already know I'm about to be sniffing up in here, because if it's not spicy, what are you doing? All right. So, I didn't get nothing to drink. Just don't want to close. But I have water in my bag, so. Getting some good old water. Alright, this one is usually when I eat my tacos, you know how they come with 2 shells? I usually take the shell underneath. Oh, what's up? I take the shell underneath and make 2 tacos so I can have double the amount of tacos. And I got 4 tacos, so that makes 8 tacos. But right now, I don't have time because I have to go to work soon. So he looking for his car. I wish I could show you guys. So, yep, here we go. Let's see if he comes through behind me. Hold up. As I take my first bite. Cheers. This is what it look like. He really don't know where his car is at. Mm. These are good. But you know, you already know. More lime, more salsa. If your shit is not drenching in liquid, and that goes for any food that you eat, it has to be submerged in sauce. At least that's just how I eat it. I'm a sauce person. Bro, he over there. And it sucks though, cause he's a Target worker. I just spit, and I'm at Target right now, so that means he's on break, trying to find his car with his pizza in his hand. I hope he finds his car soon. You already know. Bro, he found it. Good for him. I'm mad though, because it was literally right there. One taco down. Yeah, so the taco, that one was the pastor one, and it was cool. It could have been, it was a little dry, you know, because pastor is marinated meat, so I would like the sauce that it was marinated in to be on my shell taco. So let's go ahead and try the good old classic as I put some more lime juice on it. Asada. Put some salsa. Yo, the salsa is good though. I haven't had it in a long time. I've only been to Taco Meat twice. This is my second time. The first time I went to Taco Meat was like freshman, bro, second semester freshman year, 2 years ago. Dang, that's funny because this salsa was spicy to me before, but now it's chill. Now it's chill. Gotta dip it. Here's what it looks like. The pastor was way better, more flavor, but it's okay. 85 cents for a taco, I don't mind. You can never go wrong with tacos, and it's down the street from the school. Come on, convenient. And it's 24 hours, so you can really go up in that thing anytime you want, but only 8 to 8 on Tuesdays for Taco Tuesday. So did I go to Dutch Bros? It's right there. Before I go to work. I should just be good and get some water. Some more water. I should be cheap. Go up in this Target, refill up my water, take it to work. You guys probably want to do. Ooh. Ooh. Round and round, dip and dive, separate, bring it back. Now let me see you do the love side. Oh, I put hella salsa in this taco, but it's okay. Why am I still dipping it after I already put hella sauce in the taco? Because it's bomb. Gotta get that shit dripping.
Came through dripping.
If you don't lick your fingers, what are you doing? Stop being cute. I'm hella weak. But yeah. So that is my review on these tacos from Taco Meat. Let me know if you've ever been to Taco Meat, and if you like it down below. Their salsa is hot as fuck. Hold up. Yeah, so out of all, they were okay. I would give it, if I had it out of 10. Alright, let me be honest. Like, they're probably like a 6 out of 10 on the taco itself. The salsa, now the salsa, bro, the salsa is good. So I do recommend the salsa. I'll give the salsa like a 9 out of 10. Altogether, that raises this average out to about 7.8. I don't know. But yeah, it was definitely good. And for on the go, yeah, it's definitely good. So definitely try these if you haven't. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want a makeup tutorial on this look. I'll have it next in the video, so it doesn't even matter if you don't want it or not. I'm going to post it because I made one. So but until next time, have a great one and see you soon. Peace.